Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome back again to my vlog, and this time around it is living in Lagos. Guys, a girl is currently in Lagos, and since I came in I've actually not stepped out for anything, but now today is Sunday. I am dressed for lunch. I'm going for a buffet service in one very cute restaurant. Of course, I'll take you guys along. This is my fit, guys. Today I'm sure I look so cute. I'll snap pictures and send to you. I don't know how to drop this to show you, but guys, I look so freaking good. I look so good. So come along with me and let's start. Guys, I'm feeling myself. Sorry, bye. Want me to watch you do? Don't get you look so nice, being nice. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold the corner and it's slow wine. One time, I need to hold the corner. There's slow wine. One time, I need to, 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 I need to. Guys, this is another day. Guys, this vlog is actually everywhere, like it is all over the place. Since I came into Lagos last week Wednesday, I've not really been out, except the last video you saw, which was when I went for lunch. But guys, I've been indoors. But hopefully soon I will start getting busy with activities. But I just thought to come on to show you this item I just received now. They just delivered this item now, like right now, and I thought to share and show you guys. So as usual, we're going to read this off. These are linen pants, guys. I don't know, I'm in my linen pants era. I ordered 2 linen pants online and they are actually thrifted. So let's see what it looks like and feel what the quality, okay guys, hope you can hear me. So this is it, and this is from what's her name again, Corset and More on Instagram. So okay, the material is actually a very good one, very good quality. I don't know, I think I have something like this as it stands. With this my whole capsule wardrobe that I said I'm building, if I'm not careful I may end up buying multiple linen pants in the same color, because look at, I don't know. But I think the difference with these two now, the shade is not empty. This is darker than this. It's looking same in the video, but this is actually darker than this, and one is shorter than the other. So let me quickly put it on, try it on, and show you what it looks like. It fits perfectly, and the length is full length. Can you see? I mean, I love it. I love it, guys. It's so cute, and it's full length. It has pockets. It has pockets. I love it, guys. So let me try the second one. The second one is actually shorter. I think it's a 3/4. Love it. Let's try. This is the second one. Now this is size 14 or maybe 16, and I'm a size 12, because I loved it and I love the fact that it's 3/4. That was why I went for it. But it's something I can actually alter, like I can amend it. So this is what it looks like, and this is the length. So free and cute and cute and cute and cute. Guys, I love it. And guess what? It has pockets. Yeah, so guys, this is what this one looks like, and I really love it. I'll try to hold the waist a bit because it's actually too free, but other than that, I love it. So yeah, those are the 2 items I just received now, and yeah, see you guys later. Hey guys, good morning. This is another day. I've lost count of the days, so let's just flow with it. I have a wedding today, guys, and I'm about heading out to the makeup studio to beat this face. and I'll also be dressing up there. So this is how I'll leave to the place. Okay, she's already waiting for me, so let's get started.
Thursday to going out, Thursday to family, to children, to the house. And then Tosi, as the leader of the home, henceforth, will now put his hand on top of her hand. And the last letter is what? Love. I found a love for me. We were just kids.
excited because I am with my she-goats in Lagos. Who's the fastest? Just eat the cake and leave the fondant. You see the same thing. You have the same vibe. Hey guys, I'm with my friends. May I say hi?
No. Thank you for that.
You must say hi.
My friend is a YouTuber.
Wait, son of baking powder.
You said you have started. They said no, you have not.
I told you I started before the checkpoint.
I didn't hear you, sorry.
Guys, stress the
No, see, I'm sorry. I thought you said you have started doing it.
where do I start?
On my head.
So guys, we're here already and we're about having lunch. See ya later. Hey guys, good morning. We're set to go out, but before we leave, we want to go have breakfast somewhere. Say hi. Yup, let's move. So guys, this is what I'm putting on. This simple t-shirt. Shirt is from Zara. Hold on guys, let me show you. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. Shirt is from Zara. Shorts was made by me, no, my tailor, and then I have these lights from Zara too, and yep, we're good to go. Hey guys, so I'm back from brunch slash lunch. I want to quickly go and rest, then I'll take a walk in the evening, and then we call it a day or a week for this vlog. Okay, all right.
See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse race, penthouse beach, fresh house seats.